Hello, Room 5 and JCYS friends. Welcome to my mom's kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make slime. And I have with me a special guest. Her name is Jocelyn. She's my niece. Say hello, Jocelyn.
Hi.
And Jocelyn, do you want to start by telling them what ingredients are we going to use to make our slime today?
With our ingredients, we're going to use Tide, glue, shaving cream, lotion, and some food coloring.
You also need a container to put the ingredients inside, a measuring cup, I'm using a 1/4 cup, and also a Ziploc bag to store your final product, the slime inside. Alright, so what do we start with, Jocelyn?
We have to start with 2/4 of glue.
You mean, well, half a cup of glue. Half a cup of glue. So this is a 1/4 cup, so we're gonna measure 1/4 cup. We'll pour it inside. And one more, and that will make half a cup. There we go. There we go. Alright, so we have our glue inside our container. What's next?
Half a cup of shaving cream.
Now we're gonna add half a cup of shaving cream. But since we're using a 1/4 cup, we're gonna add 2 1/4 cups. And that will make half a cup. Oh,
That one came out nice.
alright, that's... Okay, make sure everything goes inside, okay?
Use a finger.
Use your fingers, okay? We're gonna get a little messy, but that's okay. Okay, so we have our shaving cream inside with our glue. That's how it's looking so far. And what's next?
Okay, so we're gonna need 1/8 cup of lotion.
That's about 1/8 of a cup. Okay, put it all inside.
Okay.
Alright. So now we have our glue, our shaving cream, and the lotion in our container. What's next, Jocelyn?
2 to 4 drops of food coloring.
So you can use any color you want. Jocelyn wants to use green. Oh, there you go. We're adding 2 to 4 drops.
I'm gonna just do 2. No, I'm gonna do 4.
She added 4 drops of green food coloring. Oops. And we realize we need a spoon to mix our ingredients. Go for it. So Jocelyn mixed all our ingredients together, and this is how it looks. Looks like shaving cream, green shaving cream mixed together. Alright, what's next?
We need 1/4 of Tide.
So we need a 1/4 cup of Tide detergent. And this is going to activate our ingredients. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna make... turn this into slime. Alright. So do you want to bring the camera closer so you can see how it changes? This is how it looks. Now we're gonna stir. And as you can see, it's starting to get thicker. Starting to turn into slime. Together slowly but surely. He looks thicker now. And once it has turned like this, when it's thick and slimy. Now you can put your hands inside and mix it, knead it together. It's not really sticky. It feels really nice and smooth still. It smells wonderful. Just keep working with it. Oh, feels really good. See how it's changing? It's coming together as you keep working it. Like bread dough. Okay. Oh. Do you want to play with it, Jocelyn?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's give Jocelyn a turn. And it's stretchy and very flexible. And it does not really stick to your hands, right, Jocelyn?
Yeah.
It's a good batch of slime. So, friends, this is how you make slime. Let me know how yours turns out. Thank you for joining me.
Leave a comment below.
Bye.